Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art and make presentations. I want to give a quick shout out to all my followers in India and in the Philippines. Today I'm going to make a slide, a solution slide. I'm going to show you all the little components that make up this solution slide. So let's begin. I'm going to move this off to the side. Go to Insert, Shapes, take the trapezoid. I'm going to copy this. Just going to place it over here. Make it probably, say this one for now. Okay. Now I'm going to have to copy it. Or I could just create a new one, doesn't matter. But I'll just copy it. Just going to make it reversed or flipped. Like so. Bring this in. Bring in another trapezoid. Let's put it over here. I want to give this fill. I'm going to copy these. So this will be green. Let's make that green. Now let's just take all of these shapes, every one of them, including the outside one, and then go Format Shape, Top Bevel, and then select the soft round. Don't have this open, you can go right click, Format Shape, and then it opens it. Go to the middle icon, select it here. I think I'll make this one just a bit darker, just to make it like the original. And so I'm going to go Gradient Fill. These two I'm going to make metallic. You can go into here, Material, and just choose Metal, just to give it some more shine. Of course, to make the labels, let's see, low revenue. Just hit the return, go in the next line. I'm going to make it Arial black, and I'm going to give it a center, make this fixed position, then go to Format, Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, No Outline, and then just bring it over here. Make this larger. Font still should be bigger. Say 32. Size font. And then make this font this like a gray. In the last video, I didn't give the font a shadow. I forgot to do that, so let's do that here. You highlight it, you go Shape Format, then you go into the font styles, not into the shape, but into the font. Go Shadow and select it. Label, I'm going to say 1. And then I'm going to say 72. And that's too big. say 60. I'm going to say weight of 1. Yeah, that looks good. Paste. This will be 2 priority. Priority. Smaller. That'll be the priority. Maybe 21. 21 font size should do it. Next step, with this particular back plate, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to go into shape fill, gradient. Let's go like that. It just gives it a nice contrast. So insert shapes. Get this. I'm going to flip it over like that. Put it there, like so. Shape fill. Okay, gradient. Just choose this. Then right click, format shape. Then for the gradient, go make this green, make this a lighter green, depending on where you want it. And white, go like that. And then I'm gonna go to the middle icon, and then I'm just gonna select slant. Just gonna copy this. Give it yellow color. Okay. Like so. I'm just gonna copy this one over here. And then you can change this. Go here, actually, to what you want. This will be lower. That. Paste it again. Put it in there like that. In our case, I'm gonna make it orange. What's this? What size is this one? 22. Okay, and then you can go shape format, add an outline to it, make the weight on the lower end, and then you're gonna give it a shadow. Okay, so each problem may have multiple solutions, as you can see here. Each solution may have a low probability of success, like this one, or it may have a high probability of success, like this one. But this one may cost less, so this has a higher priority. So ideally, you want to have a balance between cost and probability of success. So this is just one problem, low revenue, and this is multiple solutions. In part 4, I'm going to continue with additional presentation tips. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching.